Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you the absolute best sugar ant killer. I love this stuff. I've been buying it for years, and I'm gonna show you this in action. So I do have a pest control company, but this stuff is amazing. As soon as I put this out, when I see the little ants crawling around, you can see how fast the ants go to it, and they will eat this until it's gone. This is the only thing I have found that really works with sugar ants. Like I said, I have a pest control company, but they didn't even touch my ant problem. As soon as I used this, and within a week, I would say my ants were gone. And in the next shot, you can see how many come out. They just love this stuff. So this is something you have to have on hand, especially if you have any problems with ants. So I highly recommend this, but that's just my point of view.